passion for health and wellness and fitness, and that's why I got certified with the American Council on Exercise to help people really have the energy and get a level of fitness that will really help them make it through stressful days, and especially at the workplace. Some people may suffer from chronic office fatigue. You may have heard that. That is a real issue. And so as an ACE-certified professional, I want to help you apply skills and the knowledge to improve energy at work. Our workshop, Freedom from Chronic Office Fatigue, is part of our Workplace Wellness series. And that really brings light to this important issue of employee physical well-being as well as mental well-being. Office fatigue is a real problem today in today's workplace, and it doesn't affect just an individual's performance, but obviously it ripples throughout the organization as a whole, and it is a costly issue. In the workshop, we identify specific issues that lead to chronic office fatigue. Employees will learn ways to revitalize your energy at work. Chronic fatigue can take a heavy toll, but when addressed and remedied, everyone in the organization wins and business improves.